Sa lahat ng Wagyu spots na natry ko here sa Metro Manila, so far for me, this restaurant is my number one and absolutely goated. I think this is where you should go if you want a perfect seafood and Wagyu teppanyaki course. And similar to restos in Japan, very low-key lang yung vibe. And syempre, ang niyayabang nila dito is their A5 Saga Wagyu. We are back ulit here at Wagyu Ren in Poblacion, Makati. And this time to try their seafood and Wagyu teppanyaki course. Para na rin talaga siyang Wagyu omakase, starting off with the first course. An A5 Wagyu cold shabu-shabu with salad. Grabe, Wagyu melted in my mouth. Flavors were subtle, similar to a gyudon, but sweetness is coming from the actual A5 Wagyu itself. Second course was a very light and clean tasting soup. Highlights dito are the natural flavors and the beef with a slight sweetness from the Wagyu fat. Next is the seafood course and you have 3 options. So I already tried the scallops and prawns. So I got the oysters naman with a white wine infused puree. I mean, the oysters tasted fresh, seafoody, umami. There's a good contrast from the sourness coming from the white wine. Of course, the richness from the oysters. Syempre, yung favorite course namin was of course the A5 Wagyu. Now you have a choice between cuts, si rump, tenderloin, and sirloin. So choose the sirloin if you want a fattier cut. But for me, of course, I love a good A5 Wagyu tenderloin with a good meaty taste to it pa. And actually, the rump is a unique part ng Wagyu. It has a good balance of meat and fat. Perfect with their red wine sauce, tapos with their wasabi, served with rice. Then you finish off your course with a choice of ice cream, and I got the vanilla. Good news pa is they also offer lunch sets. I mean, always G tayo for an A5 Wagyu gyudon. First, I thought it was lacking a little bit of sauce, but the flavor and the sweetness really comes through the actual Wagyu itself na. Overall, always impressed kay Wagyu Ren. For me, of all the Wagyu places I've tried so far in Metro Manila, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. Choy!